Urethra. Anatomy. Posterior urethra, 3/4. Prostatic urethra, 3/4. Membranous urethra. Anterior urethra, 3/4. Bulbar urethra, 3/4. Penile urethra. Urethral injury classification. I. Depending on site of rupture. 1. Rupture of the membranous urethra. 2. Rupture of the bulbous urethra. 2. Depending on circumference of the urethral wall involved. 1. Complete. 2. Incomplete. 3. Depending on the thickness of the urethra involved. 1. Total. 2. Partial. Rupture of membranous urethra and or prostatic urethra, posterior urethra. B causes XX. It is usually associated with pelvic fracture, commonly due to road traffic accidents. XX injury can also occur during instrumentation, XX calculus passage and catheterization, XX in prolonged labor, due to long-standing pressure on the urethra by fetal head. Prostate is attached to pubis by puboprostatic ligament, and disruption of puboprostatic ligament with complete rupture of urethra can lead to floating prostate, Vermeulen sign. Injury can lead to incomplete rupture of urethra or may be associated with extraperitoneal rupture of bladder. Fig. 26.1. Based on ascending urethrogram, posterior urethral injury is classified as McCallum-Colapinto classification. Type 1, elongation of posterior urethra, but intact. Type 2, prostate, plugged off, membranous urethra with extravasation of urine above sphincter only, floating prostate, Vermeulen sign. Type 3, total disruption of urethra with extravasation of urine both above and below the sphincter. Clinical features: blood in external meatus, failure or difficulty in passing urine, extravasation of urine to scrotum, perineum and abdominal wall, shock with pallor, tachycardia, hypotension. Features of associated injuries like head injury, thorax and or abdominal organs which take priority in initial phases of management. On per-rectal (PR) examination, prostate may be felt high or may not be palpable at all. Signifies floating prostate. Investigations: X-ray pelvis to see for fracture. Ultrasound abdomen to see pelvis and other injuries. Urethrogram is done to see the site and type of tear, often reserved to do at later stage. Treatment: the shock and associated injuries are treated. In floating prostate, 3/4. As rupture is complete, bladder is open from above. A metal boogie is passed from above through the bladder and one more metal boogie is passed from below through urethra, and both are manipulated so as to meet each other. 3/4. Lower boogie is negotiated along the upper one and so into the bladder. Red rubber catheter is tied to the tip of the lower, urethral, boogie which has already entered into the bladder. When lower boogie is pulled out per urethrally, catheter tied to it will pass through urethra from above, to which Foley's catheter is tied and pulled up, so as to keep it in position. 3/4. Bladder is closed with a SPC using Malakot's catheter, railroad technique. In incomplete rupture, 2 approaches. First approach proposed by Mitchell, 3/4. Do not pass catheter from below as it may further damage the urethra and also may damage sphincter mechanism and so may cause incontinence later. Here SPC is done using Malakot's catheter. 3/4. After 3 to 6 weeks, an urethrogram is done. Using endoscope or along with open method, Foley's catheter is passed, often after dilatation. Second approach advocated by Blandy, 3/4. Single attempt to pass a small soft catheter per urethrally gently may lead into the bladder, which will be kept in situ, to maintain the continuity. 3/4. If this fails, SPC is done. On second day, In operation theatre, OT, bladder is opened from above and flexible cystoscope is passed from below, and using this, catheter is passed from below. 3/4 bladder is closed with a SPC. If patient with incomplete rupture presents later, then it is managed once a stricture forms, accordingly is stricture urethra, after 3 months. Until then patient may require SPC. Other measures: antibiotics, blood, fluid replacement, treatment of other injuries. Complications 1041. XX urinary incontinence, XX impotence, XX stricture urethra, XX infection. Rupture of bulbous urethra, anterior urethra. Usually, due to a fall astride a projecting object, like in sailing ships, cycling, over loose manhole cover, gymnasium. B. Clinical features, triad. XX blood in external meatus, urethral hemorrhage, XX perineal hematoma, XX retention of urine. Rupture may be complete or incomplete, total or partial. Investigations: X-ray pelvis and US abdomen. Condition is diagnosed clinically. Treatment: patient should be told not to try to pass urine. If passed, then extravasation of urine occurs. In operation theatre, one attempt of urethral catheterization is tried gently. If able to pass a catheter, then it is left in place. Often perineal hematoma which occurs, has to be drained. Antibiotics should be given to prevent sepsis. If catheter fails to pass, then under general anesthesia, in lithotomy position, SPC is done. Bulbous urethra is exposed through perineal midline incision and tear is sutured with. An indwelling Foley's catheter. Drain is then placed into the perineum. If suturing is not possible, sometimes, then perineal urethrostomy is done, and at later stages continuity is maintained, usually after 3 months. B. Complications: XX infection, XX extravasation of urine, stricture urethra. Stricture urethra. Classification I. Etiologically. 1. Congenital. 2. Inflammatory. A. Post-gonococcal is most common, 70%. XX stricture urethra. Gonococcal stricture occurs 1 year after infection. Retention develops only 10 to 15 years later, common in the bulb of urethra, especially in the roof. Here multiple strictures are common. Proximal stricture is the narrowest. B. Tuberculous. C. Other infection, urethritis. 3. Traumatic, bulbous, membranous. 4. Post-instrumentation, catheter, dilator, cystoscope. 5. Postoperative, prostate surgery, 4%, urethrostomy. Classification 2. 1. Proximal, common in bulbous urethra, 70%. 2. Distal, congenital, in the external meatus. Often traumatic in children. Classification 3. 1. Permeable, permits urine to pass. 2. Impermeable. Classification IV. 1. Passable, allows catheter to pass. 2. Unpassable. Classification V. It can be single or multiple. Classification V. According to the part involved. In the roof, most common, or in the flow. Clinical features: XX poor urinary stream, incomplete emptying, XX forking and spraying of the stream, frequency, dysuria, XX retention and often with overflow, XX pain, burning maturation, suprapubic tenderness, XX thickening and button-like feeling in bulbar urethra. Bulbous urethra is felt clinically by lifting the scrotum in midline in the perineum. Fig. 26.121. Investigations: urine microscopy in culture, blood urea and serum creatinine. EVU to see hydronephrosis and function of kidney. Ultrasound abdomen. X-ray of pelvis to see old fracture with history of trauma. Ascending ureterogram is an essential investigation to see the site, type, extent and false passage. The dye is injected through suprapubic needle puncture into the bladder and visualization is done using C-arm image intensifier. Urodynamic studies. Ureteroscopy. Treatment. 1. Intermittent dilatation, 3/4. Gradual dilatation, initially with thin dilators, later with thicker dilators of increasing size. Dilatation should be done in OT under aseptic precaution. Should avoid forcible dilatation or over-dilatation. Dilatation is done once a week for 1 month, once a month for 1 year, and later once a year on his birthday. Dilators used. A. Lister's dilator has got olive tip blister. B. Clutton's dilator. C. Filiform boogies. Complications of dilatation. XX infection and bleeding due to trauma. False passage. XX fistula formation. 2. Visual internal cystoscopic ureterotomy or stricturotomy. 3/4. Here using cystoscope, stricture is visualized and is cut at 12 o'clock position. Until it bleeds, fibrous tissue is cut completely. 3/4. After that Foley's catheter is passed and kept in position for 48 hours. Fig. 26. External ureterotomy by open method. Presently not commonly done as cystoscopic ureterotomy is more popular. It is presently done as an initial stage surgery for urethroplasty, Wheelhouse's operation. Urethroplasty. Stricture is excised and urethra is reconstructed using prepusal skin or scrotal skin, Johansson's urethroplasty. B. Problems in urethroplasty. XX staged procedure and so prolonged hospitalization. XX infection. XX necrosis of skin flap. XX leak and fistula formation. XX restenosis. Complications of stricture. Urethra. XX retention of urine. XX urethral fistula. XX infection, urethritis, cystitis, pyelonephritis. B. Classification. Urethral diverticula. XX periothral abscess. Bilateral hydronephrosis. XX stone formation. XX renal failure. XX due to straining, hernia, hemorrhoids, rectal prolapse. Hypospadias. It is the most common congenital malformation of urethra wherein external meatus is situated proximal than normal, over the ventral, under, aspect of the penis. Classification. XX glandular. Martel opening in glands. It is the most common type. XX coronal, XX penile, XX peniscrotal, XX perineal with split scrotum. This is associated with bilateral undescended testes. Features. Incidence is 1 in 350 males. Absence of urethra and corpus spongiosum distal to abnormal urethral orifice. Fig. 26. Bowing or bending of penis distal to abnormal urethral opening, Joddy, with poorly developed prepuce over inferior aspect. Urine soakage over the scrotum with dermatitis and infection. Associated congenital anomalies are known to exist. Karyotyping is needed to rule out associated intersex anomaly. Treatment. Staged procedure AB. Figs. 26.127A in B. Hypospadias in coronal region of glans penis with typical chordee. I. At the age of 1.5 years, surgical correction of the chordee is done. 2. At the age of 5 to 7 years, reconstruction of urethra is done using preputial skin, ideal, or scrotal skin if the patient has been circumcised. Best is preputial skin. Perineal urethrostomy is done for diversion. Perineal urethrostomy should be there until reconstruction of urethra takes up well, then is Brown procedure. MAGP repair. Martel advancement glandular repair, for glandular hypospadias. In hypospadias, circumcision is contraindicated as preputial skin is required for future urethroplasty. EPISPADIAS. Here the urethra opens on the dorsum of the penis, proximal to the glans. Most common site is at the abdominopenile junction. It is associated with a dorsal chordee, ectopia vesicae, urinary incontinence, separated pubic bones. It is uncommon in females. Treatment 3/4. Correction of incontinence of urethra. 3/4 urinary diversion. Posterior urethral valve. They are congenital symmetrical valves in the posterior urethra, just below the verumentinum. It allows the passage of catheter without obstructing its ingress. But it obstructs the outflow of urine. Proximal urethra is enormously dilated with obstructive pathology in the bladder, saculations and diverticular formation. Bladder wall is thickened and hypertrophied so much so that it is palpable in suprapubic region as a firm swelling, cricket ball bladder. There is poor urinary stream, with hydronephrosis, often with infection. Child finds difficult to pass urine. Often it is associated with vesicoureteral reflux. Renal failure and atrophy of kidney occurs due to back pressure. B. Investigations. XX micturating cystoscopy, MCU, is diagnostic. It shows dilated proximal urethra. XX ultrasound abdomen. IVU-XX blood urea and serum creatinine. XX antenatal US shows fetal urinary tract dilatation. Differential diagnosis. 3/4. Marion's disease, bladder neck obstruction due to hypertrophied interureteric bar. MCU differentiates it from posterior urethral valve. Treatment is YV-plasty, Bonen's YV-plasty. Neurogenic bladder. Treatment. Initial SPC and later cystoscopic resection of the posterior valves is done usually after several weeks. Urethral calculi 1045. Stone from the bladder is commonly passed out through urethra if it is small, but the stone can get impacted due to a stricture or urethral diverticulum. B. Sites of impaction. XX prostatic urethra. XX bulbous urethra. Fossa navicularis. XX external meatus. Features. Painful urination with thin stream and forking of urine. Retention of urine. Lower urinary tract infection. Hematuria. Pain in the penis. Penis and perineum. Stone may be palpable when it is in the bulbar or penile urethra. Investigations. Plain X-ray, KUBU, kidney, ureter, bladder, urethra. Ultrasound abdomen, urine examination. Treatment. If it is impacted in the external meatus or fossa navicularis, metotomy and extraction of the stone is done. Metotomy is cutting and widening of external meatus so as to have an easy stone extraction. If it is impacted in other parts of the urethra, urethroscopy and removal of stone from urethra is done, or through a cystoscope the stone is pushed into the bladder and then extracted. In case of retention of urine, initial suprapubic cystostomy is required before removal of the stone. Diverticulum and stricture urethra should be treated accordingly. Complications: bleeding, stricture urethra and infection. Urethritis causes gonococcal urethritis, non-gonococcal urethritis, 3/4, trichomonal urethritis, uriplasma ureolyticum, 3/4, lymphogranuloma venereum, LGV, mycoplasma, candida, 3/4, trauma, catheters, cystoscopes, stones, chemical urethritis, Reiter's disease, arthritis, conjunctivitis, urethritis, allergy, B. Reiter's syndrome XX, non-gonococcal urethritis, conjunctivitis XX, arthritis. Features: urethral discharge, dysuria, burning maturation, hematuria and increased frequency. Perineal pain, tenderness over the site. Suprapubic pain and tenderness. Investigations: 3/4, urine microscopy and culture. 3/4, ultrasound abdomen. Treatment: 3/4, antibiotics given according to culture and sensitivity. 3/4, the causes treated. Extravasation of urine. Urine extravasates from the bladder or urethra and collects in the layers of the perineum or in the pravesical space, cave of Retzius. Causes: trauma to bladder or urethra. Instrumentation like dilatation, catheterization, cystoscopy. Infection like gonococcus, watercan perineum. Types: it may be superficial or deep. 1. Superficial. It is due to either bulbar urethral injury or due to bursting of periurethral abscess after urethral stricture. Once urine extravasates due to full thickness disruption of the urethra anteriorly, it collects in superficial perineal space. This space is a closed cavity all round except anteriorly, where it communicates with scrotal subcutaneous tissue deep to fascia cols, penis between superficial fascia and deeper buccal fascia, in the anterior abdominal wall deep to scapa fascia. It does not spread to thigh and ischiorectal space as scapa fascia is attached firmly to fascia lata of thigh. Superficial perineal space is closed above by inferior fascia of perineal membrane, below by fascia of cols, laterally by ischiopubic rami. It is open and communicating only anteriorly. Ollie. Entire scrotum, penis and often lower abdominal wall are swollen containing urine. It is painful. Patient cannot pass urine through urethra. Severe pain and shock due to pelvic injury. Often sepsis occurs and skin sloughs off leading into urinary fistulas. 2. Deep. Urine spreads upwards into the extraperitoneal space of the pelvis around the bladder and prostate into the anterior abdominal wall, causing deep extravasation of the urine. Here rupture of urethra is at membranous part of the urethra, much more proximal than superficial type. B. Clinical features: XX pain, swelling in the perineum, retention of urine, XX suprapubic pain, tenderness and fullness. Treatment: 3/4. The cause is treated. Antibiotics. Suprapubic cystostomy. 3/4. Often multiple incisions may be placed in the perineum to evacuate the extravasated urine. Complications: abscess formation, sinus, fistula formation. Retention of urine: it is accumulation of urine in the urinary bladder. Kidneys excrete urine in normal quantity. But patient passes only small amount of urine or does not pass urine at all, causing distended bladder. In anuria due to renal failure, patient does not pass urine as kidney does not secrete any urine and bladder is not distended. Retention can be acute, chronic, retention with overflow. Retention differs in male, female and in infants and children. Chronic retention is due to BPH, bladder neck contracture, urethral stricture, etc., and is painless with suprapubic dullness. It is one of the common conditions seen in surgical casualty. Causes: urethral injury, stricture, urethra, stone in the urethra. Phimosis with Martel stenosis, posterior urethral valve. Benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, carcinoma prostate. Bladder tumor near bladder neck hypertrophy, prostatitis or urethritis. Neurogenic causes like head and spinal injuries, postoperative period following pelvic and perineal surgeries, drug-induced retention of urine, anticholinergics, antihistamine drugs, antidepressants. In males, BPH in old. Stricture urethra in young. Trauma, urethral, pelvic. Post-surgical, perineal surgeries like hemorrhoidectomy, fistulectomy, fissurectomy, pelvic surgeries, surgeries for fracture hip, fracture pelvic bone. Bladder outlet obstruction, carcinoma of prostate. In females, uterine prolapse, urethral stricture, uterine, ovarian surgeries. In infants and children, posterior urethral valve. Martel stenosis, 1047 features, pain and swelling, fullness, in the suprapubic region. Inability to pass urine, smooth, soft, tender swelling in hypogastric region which is dull on percussion. Features relevant of specific causes. 3/4 per rectal examination to see prostate and other causes. In full bladder, often prostate cannot be assessed properly. B types: XX acute, XX chronic, XX retention with overflow. Acute retention. It is rare. It is sudden inability to pass urine. It is painful distension of the bladder. It is seen in urethral trauma, due to anesthesia, or surgery, perineal, abdominal. There is increased desire to pass urine. Chronic retention is gradual collection of urine in the bladder due to ineffective emptying of the bladder completely. Bladder is distended and is painless. It is common in elderly. Frequency: difficulty in urination, overflow incontinence is common. Infection in such chronic retention makes it painful. Acute on chronic retention. Patient is having chronic obstructive condition like BPH, due to infection and acute inflammation and edema of mucosa of urethra. Sudden total blockage sets in, causing acute on chronic retention of urine. Investigations: ultrasound abdomen, blood urea, serum creatinine, urine microscopy. Treatment: 3/4 urinary catheterization using Foley's catheter. 3/4 If it fails, then suprapubic cystostomy, SPC, using Mallicott's catheter is done. The cause is treated. Intermittent catheterization in case of neurogenic bladder. B. Management of retention of urine. XX clinical and sinological assessment of kidney, ureter and bladder. XX evaluation for cause. XX evaluation for obstructive uropathy and renal function. XX urinary catheterization by Foley's catheter, red rubber catheter, metallic catheter. SPC with Mallicott catheter by open method or using Foley's catheter by trocal puncture method. XX intermittent catheterization. XX vesicostomy in children. XX treating the cause. XX postoperative retention is a common cause. It is treated by reassurance, placing hot water bag over suprapubic region, change of position or standing, only occasionally by catheterization.